Have you ever downloaded a file only to find that Windows Security has removed it a few seconds later? If that's happening to you, there's a good chance Microsoft Defender has detected the file as a potential threat and removed it. But what if you know the file is safe and actually need it? Let's look at why this happens, how to get the file back, and how to stop Windows Security from flagging the same file again. First, Windows Security isn't randomly deleting your files. When Microsoft Defender detects something suspicious, it can quarantine the file. This moves it to a restricted location and prevents it from running on your PC. To see what happened, open Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection, and go to Protection History. Here, you'll see recent actions taken by Windows Security. If the deleted file is listed here, double-click it to see more details. In case the file is listed as quarantined, you will have a Restore option. Or if the file has been blocked and removed, you will see an Allow option. Take these actions only if you're completely sure the file is safe. Windows will move the file out of quarantine and return it to its original location. Do this if you have a good reason to trust the file and where it came from. Now, if this is a file or folder you regularly use and you're certain it's safe, you can add an exclusion. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, select Manage Settings, then scroll down to Exclusions, and select Add or Remove Exclusions. Choose Add an Exclusion, and you can exclude a specific file or folder, among other options. For example, if a trusted application keeps getting flagged, you could exclude the specific file or folder it needs. But be careful with this. An excluded file or folder won't receive the normal real-time scanning protection, which means a genuinely malicious file placed there could go undetected. So don't exclude your entire downloads folder just to avoid one warning. Keep the exclusion as specific as possible. Basically, operate at the file level rather than the folder level, unless you are absolutely certain. And that ends our tutorial. We hope you learned something new. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It means a lot.